My Ryobi Weed Trimmer CS30 starter cord is stuck. The starter cord on the Ryobi CS30 weed trimmer powers the entire starter system. If this cord doesn't work properly, the operator won't get the trimmer to start. When the starter cord gets stuck, the operator will need to disassemble the starter system to find the source of the problem. Starter cord jammed. The starter cord is wound tightly against a pulley, just underneath the starter cover. This cord needs to unwind and rewind smoothly for the system to work. If the cord gets jammed, or caught somewhere inside the pulley, it will feel as if it is stuck. The operator must unscrew the starter cover to access the rest of the starter assembly. Inspect the cord and pulley to see if the cord is stuck anywhere. If it is stuck, take the tension off the recoil spring and rewind the cord. Broken recoil spring. A recoil spring in the center of the pulley allows the pulley to retract and rewind the cord back onto the pulley. This spring hooks onto a slot inside the pulley and moves and stretches in response to the pulley. If the recoil spring is jammed or broken, it will not move in time with the pulley and the cord may feel like it is stuck. The operator can remove the starter cover and cord, and then pop out the recoil spring. Broken pulley. The pulley, as it spins, rides along the starter post in the flywheel. The flywheel will spin with the pulley. Since the pulley is made of plastic, a small crack, dent or warp can cause the pulley to ride roughly inside the starter system. When this occurs, the cord will feel like it is difficult to pull out. After removing the other parts, inspect the condition of the pulley and replace it if necessary. Flywheel compression problems. The cord will not pull out if the flywheel or crankshaft can't spin. The flywheel connects to the crankshaft through a metal piece called the key. This can get bent if the trimmer head hit something hard while it was spinning. A bent key will cause the flywheel to spin poorly or not at all. The crankshaft may also fail to work properly if the trimmer is losing compression from an air leak in the engine.